video to show you how to do the bear and two travelers. This is the second word assignment that we did in class, okay? So here's the assignment here. Here's my instructions that I have here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save the bear and two travelers to my area. That simply means save it. You guys should all by now have an ICT folder, so saving it in your ICT folder. All right, I'm just going to save it on my desktop, file, save as, bear starts 2. Yep, that's what I want to name it, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. Okay, no problem. Replace that. Okay, next thing I want to do is I'm going to take all of this, okay, I'm going to place it below this original text, Aesop's Fables text. Okay, so I'm going to hit cut. The way I did that was I just double clicked on my mouse pad, or of course I can go up here and select cut, copy, but now I'm going to paste it. Okay, great. I'm going to change the font size to 12 points of the entire paragraph that I have here. Okay, so I highlight that all. Okay, now I go up here to my font size and it says 12 points. Now I'm going to change the font style to Verdana. All right, so under here, under my font styles, I'm going to select this, and I've used Verdana just recently, so it's very close to the top. If you can't find it near in the top, just scroll down alphabetically. You'll see a list of all your fonts. Okay, so let's go for Verdana. All right, now it's changed to Verdana. Now I want to start a new paragraph at the bear soon left him, for it is said. So let's have a look. Two men, nope. Here it is. The bear soon left him. Okay, so I'm going to start a new paragraph. So I'm just going to put my cursor there, click on my return key, and do that twice, and that will create a new paragraph. Okay. Now I want to use the find and replace tool to change all sentences of bear to wolf. Okay, so if I go into my edit menu, find, and I want to do find and replace. And I want to find everything that says bear, and I'm going to change it to wolf. So I want to find, right here is my find, bear, and I'm going to change it all to wolf. Okay, and it's right down here. It shows me where all the instances of bear occur, and I want to change them. Yes, replace all. Once that comes up, that box, yes, it's all done. Okay, now I'm just going to close out of this box so I can see my text again, and everything looks good. Okay. Now I want to insert a footer into my document. Okay, so usually when you see things like insert, you can find it up here in your menus, okay? Or sorry, up here in the tab. So I want to insert, and I've got the header and footer section here. I want to insert a footer, okay? And what does it say? I want to insert a document. I'm gonna add my name and homeroom, okay? So let's go back to here. Footer, I can select any style that I want. I'm gonna select this one, okay? And I'm just going to put my name in that box. Okay. And you would put your class in here. I will just put year 7 since I teach all of you guys. Okay. Now, there's only one page, so I've only got one footer. But if I had several pages, at the bottom of each page, I would see this, Mr. Heslin, year 7. Okay. If I wanted to add a date, okay? I would go up here to add a date, choose a style. Just put that in to show you guys, okay? There's that, but I don't want to add that date. I just wanted to show you how to do that, okay? I'm gonna save that. Now, to get out of my footer, okay, I will scroll up and I will click 3 times on my text, and now I'm out of my footer, but I can still see it here shaded out, which tells me it's there. Okay, on the first letter of the first paragraph of the text, insert a dropped cap. Okay, so we've done that before in the other one, so I'm going to put my cursor right here beside the first letter of the first paragraph, And I go back to, oh, I'm going to expand this a little bit so we can see all of my tabs. Okay, we go back to, we go back to insert. Yep, sorry. So we stay in insert. So my cursor's there, first letter of my first paragraph. I'm in insert. Now I go over to the text, and I select drop cap, a little arrow there. This is the style I want, and we'll do that. Great. So I've got my drop cap now. Okay. Find a suitable image and insert it into your document. Okay. I've already downloaded an image from the internet. I put it on my desktop, so I'm going to find that image. So I'm going to go up here to insert, pictures, pictures from a file because I've saved it on my desktop. Okay. Convert, yes, great. Go back there, pictures, pictures from a file. My image is on my desktop, and there it is there. It's the wolf PNG, okay? So once it's there, okay, I'll just click on it if I want, okay? And if I want to expand it, these little boxes, you see the lines around the box, I can expand it if I want. Make it bigger, wider, okay? And once I've got that quadruple cross like there on it, I can also move it around, okay? I'm gonna keep it there for now. Go back to what it says. Okay, so I wanna wrap the text tightly around the clip art image, okay? I can go to the image format tab, but another quick way is just double click on the image. So double click on the mouse pad by using 2 fingers, select wrap text, and they want it to be tight, okay? Now I can move this, I can move my image anywhere I want within my document. You can see how the words will wrap itself around that text. Okay, so now I want to resize my clip art. Set it is about the same size of this box here, okay? So kind of a small box, I got a big box there. I'm gonna make that much smaller, okay? Just click on the lines at the bottom there. Okay, when I have those double arrows, I can change the height of it. When I go to the side, I've got those double arrows, I can change the width of it. Okay, and that approximately looks like it's the size of that square there. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to leave that. All right, now I want to add a watermark background stamp to my task, which says Bear Task. Okay, so I'm going to go to Layout, 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 Layout. Expand this a little bit more again. Sorry, I'm not going to go to Layout. I'm going to go to Design, okay? In Design, I've got this little tab here, Watermark, okay? I'm going to click on Watermark, okay? By default, it says no watermark. I don't want a picture. I want text, and the text that I want to put in there is, I believe it is Bear Task. Hit OK. Yep, and I can see that watermark, or that's right, that text is behind everything else. It says Bear Task, so I've got my watermark. Next thing I want to do is add a pale orange background to the color of my page. So I just go back up here. I'm in Design again. I go to Page Color, and that's about a pale orange. That's great. That looks pale orange to me, but I might be a little colorblind. And that looks good. All right. Set both paragraphs of text to double line spacing. Save your work. The Bear version 2. Oh, sorry, I forgot this. I want to position my image so that it sits near the top right hand of the first page of the text. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to my text. When I've got those 4 arrows like that, I just click on that, and I'm going to move it to the top right hand of my page there. Keep it there like that. Okay. Both paragraphs, double line spacing, very easy. I just select everything in that paragraph. I go back to home, okay? Go to my spacing here. As I put the cursor on it, you can see line and paragraph spacing. Click on that little arrow there. hit for 2, double space. Go back to the second one, same thing. Just select everything in that paragraph. I'm in the home already. Go to line spacing, hit 2, or sorry, double, and that's great. I've done everything. Okay, guys, I'll see you in class.